Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the second episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2023. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all another treat using pumpkin. We're going to make pumpkin cupcakes. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. We're going to frost it with a cream cheese frosting. And the best part, no eggs required. And also, we're going to use a cake mix. But we're going to doctor it up and it's going to taste like you made it from scratch. Everybody's going to love and enjoy these cupcakes. And these definitely screams fall. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more pumpkin recipes, check out my pumpkin recipes playlist and my previous video, Iced Pumpkin Cookies. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your cupcake pan, your pumpkin puree, and your cake mix sugar, because we're about to bake some pumpkin cupcakes magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 package of spice cake mix. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And this is my homemade pumpkin pie spice. I'll put the recipe to that down below in the description box. 3/4 of a cup of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. 1 cup of sweet milk at room temperature, which is Southern talk for whole milk. And 1/2 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. And we're going to whisk all these ingredients together until they're well combined. And it's all in the dump in the bowl recipe. I love it. Alrighty, my friends, and just that quickly, our cake batter is complete. And how simple and easy was that? And look at this batter, nice and smooth and whipped. Love the smell of pumpkin. That looks great. Now we're ready to fill up our cupcake pan. We're going to scoop them in the 12 cupcake pan, and I lined them with cupcake liners. So we're going to use my ice cream scoop. Gonna take a dollop of the cake batter like so, and just scoop them into the cupcake liners, just like that. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and finish filling up my cupcake liners, and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I got all my cupcakes together. Now we're ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let them bake for about 20 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I have taken my cupcakes out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. Could smell the pumpkin pie spice. So now we're going to let our cupcakes cool completely. And while they're cooling, let's get started on our cream cheese frosting. In my large bowl, I have a 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese and 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and they're both at room temperature. And into our butter and cream cheese, we're going to add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alrighty, my friends, and last but not least, we're going to add in a 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar that's sifted, or you can whisk it. And this is 1 pound. I'm going to add a little bit in. I'm going to mix it in slowly. I'm going to add the rest in. Mix this in until it's well combined. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through mixing up my icing, and off camera, I place it into my piping bag with a 1M star piping tip. And our cupcakes is cool. We're ready to pipe them. I have placed my cupcakes onto my cake stand. So we're just going to pipe them right in the middle like so. Alrighty. And over here, I have some ground cinnamon. Just going to sprinkle some right on top. Just like that. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish piping the rest of my cupcakes, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Pumpkin cupcakes. Don't that look good and pretty? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate, and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at that texture. It's so moist it just breaks apart and it melts in your mouth. I can taste the pumpkin and the pumpkin pie spice. And that cream cheese frosting is divine. These are fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Honey, you can't tell this is from a box. Yum-o. Pumpkin cupcake-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights, and to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, and much love.